this is what it's doing, is it starts to shake. Starts to even make a funny sound like it's shaking, and that's what it does. So here in a minute, when I take off from this light, it's going to do it again. Now I'm purposely on the back road so that it don't break down on the highway, but usually as you start to take off, it starts to shake. That's what it's doing right now, shaking. Almost like it's knocking. It's the best way I can describe it. And so here comes the check engine light blinking. Instead of just staying on, it's blinking. And you can hear it start to knock. Got a knocking sound to it. But even more than the sound is it starts to act like it's just going to die. And I don't know why. Here it goes. Luckily, I'm getting back home with it, but it started to do it downtown in the downtown Enid area, to where when I was at a stoplight, it started to go. There's the And I don't get it. There's the like it's just killing it to go.